exciting times.
Lovely.
Bring on the entertainment.
Really happy to be here, and I'm here to fight for the badge. So, and my Ghanaians back home, thanks them for their support.
Questions for you, just to learn a bit more about you. Past or present player that you're most similar to?
It's a difficult one. I have no idea.
I'm going to say dribbling one. Messi, dribbling wise. I know it's a big
Messi,
name. Big name, right?
That's a lot of
Left
pressure. A lot of pressure.
Favourite stadium to play in?
Think Anfield.
Yeah. Favourite holiday destination? Favourite place to go chill out?
Ghana.
Do
Easy.
you have a favourite West Ham player from the clips you've seen, just the way they play?
Paqueta.
Oh, lovely. Favourite best teammate from your whole time playing football?
Kamaldeen Suleimana from Southampton. Yeah.
Oh, nice. All-time favourite Ghanaian player?
That's a hard one. I have few. I think I have few that are all time.
Okay.
Yeah.
John Pansel, is he making the short list?
Yeah.
But I was going to say, be careful.
Yeah. Favourite World Cup that you played in or just watched on telly?
2010.
2010. And the favourite goal you've ever scored? Best goal?
Liverpool, Anfield.
Yeah, it's one of my
That
favorites.
was lovely. Oof, I can't wait to see this out here.
Yeah.
Seriously, I can't wait.
I also think Rangers in the Champions League for the first one. I think, that one also is one.
It's official.
Face round this way. Shoulders. Nice. Face this way, Fold your arm. Oh, yeah. Okay, just punch the side. They're all better. I should grab a pen for me.
Hi, this is Mohammed Kudus. I'm happy to be here. Come on, you Irons.